Is it possible for a girl to get pregnant if she has sex during her period? Can I still get HIV if I use condoms? How do I know if I'm still a virgin? Imagine having these burning questions in your head, but you are too scared to talk to anyone regarding this topic. Not to your teachers, not even your friends, and of course, not your family. But don't worry, you're not alone. Due to the heavy cloud of stigma and shame regarding the topic of sex, most often young people in Indonesia don't know who to ask or too embarrassed to talk with anyone regarding this topic. But that doesn't mean it's okay for us to continue avoiding this topic. Now, let's take a look at some figures. The most recent demographic and health survey revealed that around 8% of unmarried young adults aged 15 to 24 years old in Indonesia are already sexually active. On a similar note, a recent survey revealed that approximately one-third of adolescents living in 5 biggest cities in Indonesia have had their sexual intercourse.
What's very alarming is the fact that among those who are sexually active, only a handful practice safe sex. For example, according to the DHS survey, approximately 70% of young men and women who are unmarried but sexually active did not wear a condom during their first sexual intercourse. This put Indonesian youth at risk for contracting sexually transmitted infections or experiencing unwanted pregnancies. Albeit concerning, this phenomenon is not surprising at all if we consider Indonesian youth's lack of sexual and reproductive health education. For example, the DHS survey found that approximately half of men and women that participate in the survey do not know that one sexual intercourse is enough to cause pregnancy. This is why we created Tabu. Tabu.id is designed as a digital initiative that aims to achieve a society that both educated and aware of the importance of sexual and reproductive health, knowledge and information. Our mission is to break the stigma and spread the awareness about the importance of sexual and reproductive health knowledge among young people and to increase the literacy of sexual and reproductive health knowledge among young Indonesians. Nearly 3 years after its founding, Tabu has become the leading and the top-of-mind social media platform for sexual and reproductive health for Indonesian youth aged 15 to 24 years old. Since February 2018, Tabu has disseminated comprehensive and evidence-based information about sexual and reproductive health to its now 94,000 organic followers and garners hundreds of thousands of views weekly.
Through our 100% youth-led, youth-run, and grassroots organization, we have been able to successfully leverage the use of social media to improve access to evidence-based and comprehensive SRH information, increase awareness about the importance of SRH, and scale up demand for SRH services among thousands of Indonesian youth. In designing our programs and content, we use principles and draw on insights from a variety of fields, including human-centered design and design thinking, social and behavioral change communications, digital marketing, and digital advocacy. We create creative, innovative content, from TikTok videos to infographics, memes, tweets, human stories, and many more, targeting knowledge, skills, as well as attitudes. We'll give you an example. Our Tabu Punya Cerita series feature real stories from interviews with young people. A candid, honest snapshot of young people's SRH experiences, revolving around topics such as first-time sex to breast cancer, to show our followers that there is nothing wrong with talking about sex. Our Instagram story case studies take real viral cases related to SRH in Indonesia and use them as entry points to bust myths and deliver accurate information, all the while engaging our followers through interactive Instagram story features and entertaining them through sharing funny, relatable GIFs and memes.
We also collaborate with a variety of other organizations ranging from schools, universities to other grassroots communities to deliver SRH education in offline contexts. Since COVID-19 hit, we now conduct all our events digitally through Instagram Lives and video conferencing platforms, collaborating with different stakeholders to ensure quality of SRH information even in a pandemic. Our team worked hard throughout the year to deliver the creative, quality SRH education that young people need every single day, breaking walls of stigma, and speaking boldly about issues that are considered taboo. Through Tabu, we hope that Indonesian youth can candidly talk and enjoy learning about sexual and reproductive health, including sharing your experiences without feeling embarrassed or judged. We wish to break the wall of stigma, spark new conversations, and transform our society's discourse around young people's sexual and reproductive health. Join us in our journey to achieve our mission so that in the near future, we can truly say that talking about sexual and reproductive health is no longer taboo.
You can support us by visiting
Following
And sharing our Instagram account
At tabu.id.